Good afternoon, students. Last class we studied Unit 13 Organic Nitrogen Compounds, Classification of Compounds, Nomenclature of Nitroalkanes, then Isomerism. Today let we learn Preparation of Nitroalkanes. How to prepare nitroalkanes from alkyl halide. Okay, so alkyl halide, here halogen bromine, alkyl group is a ethyl group. Alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide are heating with a ethanolic solution of potassium nitrite. Potassium nitrite formula KNO2. Potassium nitrite. Okay, so in this reaction this K combine with Br to form KBr, remaining CH3CH2 NO2 nitroethane. This reaction is a SN2 reaction, so it is a single step reaction. Okay, so the second preparation of nitroalkane from vapor phase nitration of alkanes by industrial method. So here the reacting substance is a gaseous mixture of methane and nitric acid is passed through a red hot metal tube to give nitromethane. Okay, so methane gaseous mixture CH4 methane, it is reacted with nitric acid HNO3. So that HNO3 nitric acid is passed through a red hot silica tube at 673 Kelvin. Nitric acid is split into OH then NO2. This OH combine with CH4 on hydrogen. CH4, there CH3 and hydrogen. This OH combine with hydrogen to form water, remaining CH3NO2 nitromethane. Except methane, other alkanes gives mixture of nitroalkanes due to carbon-carbon cleavage. So that another one example is ethane. Ethane carbon-carbon cleavage is there. Okay, so ethane passed through the nitric acid in red hot silicon tube at 675 Kelvin to form nitroethane and nitromethane. Nitroethane and nitromethane. Nitroethane 73% and nitromethane is 27%. So the next preparation from alpha halo carboxylic acid, alpha chloroacetic acid. So alpha chloroacetic acid reacted with sodium nitrite, it gives nitromethane. In this reaction this Na combine with Cl to form NaCl, then removal of carbon dioxide gas. Next one, oxidation of tertiary alkyl amines. Tertiary butyl amine is oxidized with aqueous potassium permanganate to tertiary nitroalkanes. Okay, so here oxidation, that means addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen in presence of potassium permanganate. Aqueous potassium permanganate is a oxidizing agent. Here supply of oxygen. Okay, so here NH2. So this side 2 oxygen and that side 1 oxygen. So the substance CH3C, CH3 single bond NO2, 2-methyl 2-nitropropane, tertiary nitroalkanes and water. So the next one is the oxidation of oximes. Oxime means NOH compounds. oxidation of acetaldioxine and acetonoxine with trifluoroperoxyacetic acid in presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid to form nitroethane. Acetaldioxine formula CH3CHNOH. It is oxidized in presence of trifluoroperoxy acid to form nitroethane. So next one is a preparation of nitroarenes, arenes group. So nitroarenes prepared from benzene by direct method. Okay, when benzene is heated at 330 Kelvin with nitrate mixture. Nitrate mixture is a nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid to form nitrobenzene. This nitrobenzene is also known as oil of myrrhine. How to prepare oil of myrrhine? Benzene reacted with nitrate mixture, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid to form nitrobenzene. Then second preparation is a indirect method. Preparation of nitroarenes from indirect, from para-nitroaniline by indirect method. Okay, para position means 1 and 4th position is a para position. So para-nitroaniline is reacted with sodium nitrite to form para-nitro-diisofluoroborate. That para-nitro-diisofluoroborate reacted with sodium nitrite in presence of copper metal to form para-dinitrobenzene. Amino group can be directly converted into nitro group using Carros acid. Carros acid means H2SO5 or persulfuric acid H2S2O8 or peroxy trifluoroacetic acid F2C CO3H. So these oxidizing agent that NH2 is converted into NO2, para-dinitrobenzene. Next, let me learn physical properties of alkane. The lower nitroalkanes are colorless, pleasant smelling liquids. Nitroalkanes are colorless liquid, pleasant smelling liquid. It is sparingly soluble in water, but it is readily soluble in organic solvents. Some of the organic solvents are benzene, acetones are organic solvent. The nitroalkanes are high boiling point because of their high polar nature. Then alkyl nitrites have lower boiling point than nitroalkanes. Next, let me learn chemical properties of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes undergo the following common reaction. The first one is a reduction reaction. Second one, hydrolysis reaction. Third one is a halogenation reaction. First, let me learn reduction of nitroalkanes. So we know reduction means it is addition of hydrogen. Reduction of nitroalkanes has important synthetic application. The various reduction stages of nitro group. The first example, that nitromethane. Okay. So addition of hydrogen, two hydrogen combine with one oxygen to form water, remaining CH3NO. Okay. The next, again reduction of methane to form N-methyl hydroxylamine. N-methyl hydroxylamine again reduction to form methylamine. Then second one, nitromethane is reduced by tin and hydrochloric acid to form the product is methylamine. NO2 is converted into NH2, methylamine and water. This nitromethane reduced to zinc and ammonium chloride to form N-methyl hydroxylamine. Next, second one is a chemical properties hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes is hydrolyzed using hydrochloric acid to form acetic acid, ammonium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Second one, 2-nitropropane also hydrolyzed using concentrated hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. On hydrolysis it gives the carboxylic acid. The second one is a secondary compound, so it will form the ketone compound. Tertiary alkenes, no reactions. Primary compound form the acid, secondary compound produce ketone, tertiary compound no reactions. Then ethyl nitrite is hydrolyzed to form ethanol. Ethanol and nitrous acid. So the next one is a halogenation of nitroalkanes. Nitromethane reacted with chlorine in presence of sodium hydroxide. This chlorine replaces the hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. So to form CCl3 NO2 plus 3HCl. Toxicity. Nitroethane is suspected to cause genetic damage and harmful to the nervous system. NAP carbonyl synthesis. Nitroethane reacted with the potassium hydroxide to form the intermediate product, then again hydrolysis to form acetaldehyde. Next one, chemical properties of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. C6H5NO2 reduced to tin and hydrochloric acid to form aniline. C6H5NH2 aniline formula, benzene ring NH2 aniline. Nitrobenzene reacted with zinc and ammonium chloride to form phenyl hydroxylamine, C6H5NHOH. Then nitrobenzene is reduced to iron to form nitrosobenzene to pass the steam in this reaction. The next fourth one is nitrobenzene reacted with the tin chloride and potassium hydroxide to form the intermediate product. Again self condensation to form azobenzene. Azo means N double bond N, N2. Then nitrobenzene reacted with the zinc and sodium hydroxide to form the intermediate. Again reduction to form hydrosobenzene. electrolytic reduction. Electrolytic reduction under the electrolysis process. Nitrobenzene in electrolytic reduction to form aniline. So in aniline preparation it will use the 6 hydrogen C6H5 NH2 aniline. So next one, nitrobenzene on electrolytic reduction, it will accept 4 hydrogen to form phenyl hydroxylamine. Then this rearrangement to form para-aminophenol. The next one is a reduction of catalytic and metal hydrides. Nitrobenzene on reduction in presence of nickel or platinum or lithium aluminum hydrate, that NO2 is reduced to NH2. Side 2 hydrogen, that side 2 hydrogen. The next selective reduction of polynitro compounds. Metadinitrobenzene reacted with diaminosulfide compound. On heating to form metanitroaniline. So the next one is a electrophilic substitution reaction. First one, nitrobenzene chlorination reaction. Nitrobenzene reacted with chlorine in presence of aluminum chloride to form 3-chloronitrobenzene. Third position, one hydrogen is there. That hydrogen combined with 1 Cl HCl, remaining Cl is there. The next second one is a nitration. Nitration means nitrate mixture reacted with nitrate mixture at 373 Kelvin to form 1,3-dinitrobenzene. Then third reaction is a nitration at 473 Kelvin to form trinitrobenzene, TNB, trinitrobenzene. Sulfonation means reaction with the concentrated sulfuric acid. It will form the product 3-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Amines classification. Amines classified into aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Amines, primary amine is a ethanamine. So ethyl group combined with ammonia. So ethanamine is a primary amine. The next is secondary. Secondary amine is a N-methyl methanamine. Mixed means methyl and ethyl or methyl and propyl or methyl and butyl. Then aromatic amines, primary amine is a benzonamine or aniline. C6H5 NH2. Secondary amine is a N-phenyl benzamine. Mixed amine is N-phenyl methanamine. Mixed means that phenyl and methyl group. For tertiary, aliphatic amine symbol is N-dimethyl methanamine. Mixed N-ethyl, N-methyl propane 2-amine. Next, let me learn the nomenclature of amine groups. See the first one, isopropylamine. So one branch is there. So iso, 3 carbon propyl, second carbon having amine. So isopropylamine is a common name. IUPAC root word is a propane. So second position having amine group. So propane 2 amine. The second one is a allyl amine. Double bond is there. So it is a allyl amine. Common name. IUPAC prop 2 in 1 amine. The next one is a hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene 6 carbon is there. Okay, 6 carbon hexamethylene 2 amine group diamine. So that IUPAC hexa 6 carbon. So hexane first position and 6th position amine is there 1,6 diamine. The next one is a methyl isopropyl amine. IUPAC that propane 4 carbon is there. So propane second position substitution is there. So 2 methyl propane 2 amine. Diethyl butylamine. So diethyl butylamine that root word is a butane, substituent diethyl. Okay, so that is NN diethyl butane 1 amine. For arenes, only one position substituent is there. So the substituents 2 methyl group is there. So NN dimethyl 6 carbon, that is a benzene ring. Okay, so benzene NN dimethyl benzamine. CH2 NH2 phenyl methanamine. Then C6H by CH2 NH bond CH3 is N methyl phenyl methanamine.